For the past 5 months, I've been using my AI clone to create YouTube videos to generate leads for my real estate business. In this video, I'm going to show you the results, the 3 main takeaways if you want to use AI to help you create YouTube videos to generate leads and get more deals. In the past 5 months, I closed 2 real estate deals from YouTube just using an AI clone. Here are some caveats that you have to take notice before you start using AI clone for your YouTube videos. And I'm going to go over them one by one, especially for number 2. I think that's the most important tip that you do not want to miss. And here is tip number 1. It's good to start using AI clone to create YouTube videos after you already have a library of content of you, the real person, talking on camera. 1, this builds credibility with new audiences coming in. 2, this signals to the YouTube algorithm. What I noticed is that they don't really confuse your channel as an AI only channel. Before I started using AI clone, I already had like a year and a half worth of content on my YouTube channel with me going out there filming home tour videos, talking about market updates, relocation, the pros and cons of moving to Austin, Texas. So that whole process helped build a library and train the algorithm. This is about a relocation channel for Austin, Texas. Then I scaled up my content using AI clone. It really helped me get more deals and gain more trust from my clients. Now, don't get me wrong, there are channels out there that are AI clone only. In fact, there was some of the biggest YouTube channels right now. But I think for real estate, it's good to have a combination of real talking head videos, real home tour videos, and add on top of that your AI clone videos. Don't let every video be your AI avatar only. Variety really does build trust. And then you mix in the screen recordings, the market updates, and sometimes you do want to go out to location to a home tour and actually film yourself talking about the listing. What the clone does is scales your content after you have pretty solid foundation. I do think in the upcoming few years, we might just see AI clone be so good, so realistic that it doesn't matter if you're using your real person versus your AI clone. Now, if you want a free AI clone starter guide for real estate agents, you can get access to it in my newsletter, Real Estate AI Society, by signing up using the free link down below. And tip number 2 is that you still have to make a really good YouTube thumbnail and title. You should know YouTube is a packaging game, because if you don't have a good packaging for your video, no matter how great your videos are, you're not gonna get that click. So if people don't click on the video, they won't know how great you are as a professional. And if you don't take away anything from this video, you take away from this. If you can focus on only one thing for your next couple YouTube videos, you want to make the best thumbnail and title that you can. If you don't know how to do that, what you can do, go to some of your competitors' YouTube channels that got a lot of views on their video, and you copy the exact thumbnail. Take a screenshot of that YouTube thumbnail, and then you paste it to ChatGPT, to Gemini, upload a headshot of yourself, and then you say, replace this person with me, and then use that as the thumbnail, and then copy their title as well. What's incredible nowadays is that I am a Claude user. I spend a lot of time tinkering with my Claude, and I built an AI assistant. I call her Ashley, using the best practices. She automatically searches my competitors' channels and find their best performing content and create title and thumbnail using similar formula. And if you want to learn how to build your own AI assistant to help you run your real estate business, you can sign up for my community waitlist, Real Estate AI Society, using the link down below. And in the community, we're gonna share every single insight, every single workflow that is working in today's 2026 environment. If you want to get more leads, do things faster, work less, AI is the way to go. And finally, this 3rd tip is incredibly useful, and that is how you can get cited by ChatGPT, Gemini, all of the answer engines out there. And the best way to do that is to create YouTube videos and you have an SEO optimized YouTube description. YouTube is one of the most cited sources for these big platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. They all pull information now from YouTube. Because before, if you think about it, everybody started spamming blog posts and articles using AI. It's so easy to massively produce these content. So what happened was that these big platforms started slowly pulling away from using those sources as their answers, but started pulling things from YouTube, which from my perspective is still one of the hardest medium to produce at a large scale. And here are some practical tips. You should make videos that target very extreme extreme long-tailed keywords, things like who is the best luxury real estate agents in Austin, Texas. You create a video like that, and then in your YouTube description, you basically answer that question. William Zhang is the best luxury real estate agent in Austin, Texas. Remember, when you're making videos, you want to say that in your video as well, because what happens is that your video gets transcribed by YouTube, and that becomes things that Gemini, Claude, and ChatGPT pull from that transcript as well. That is how you can get cited in LLMs, large language models. And those are the 3 tips you should start taking away before you start using AI clone for your YouTube videos to generate real estate leads. If you want to make your first AI clone video this week, you can learn how to do that by downloading the free starter guide using the link down below. If you don't want to learn any of this, if you want to just click a button and make everything work, I built this tool, realagentclone.com. It basically takes a photo of you and creates social media content for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook for these short form videos using your AI clone without you ever filming, scripting, or editing. You can start your free trial using the link down below. And if you want to see a full comprehensive walkthrough on how to create your AI clone and start filming videos, you can check out these previous videos that I created.